How to. We're going to show you how you can reuse one of the trips that you've run before for a new group. You simply come to the dashboard and select Copy Trip for the one that you want to base the new schedule from. In this case, we are using a Hacker Exchange example. They're going to be running 1.3, and of course they're going to take a new cohort, so they're copying without invitees. Choose to copy, and we drop into the new trip. It's a brand new trip with everything copied except for the invitees. We're going to make sure that the trip link looks good. Say Feb 2018 and 1-3. It's going to be public, and the new dates are February 11th through the 24th. And of course, give people a little bit of time to respond. Set it to the 10th. Now I'm prompted here with the request to align items with a new start date. And it's going to move the 68 items in the schedule forward 70 days to the 11th of February. I'm going to say yes, align dates, because that's what we want to do. If for some reason you don't want to move the items, you can always say no, leave alone. You'll save the changes but not move any of your items' dates. Now that this is successfully saved, we're going to check out the plan and our details. We see that our new dates are set to the 11th through to the 24th, just like we wanted. Now, of course, there's a few more tweaks that will need to be made to make this perfect, but the hard work is done. And that's it for this how-to.